What's up, guys? Before I get this video started, before we start our entire takeover series, I wanted the very first thing that I could say to everybody to be thank you. Thank you guys so much for everybody that walked up to us and talked to us, and sometimes we were busy or trying to get to the next event or trying to get there or chasing Miles primarily because he is a runner now, no longer a walker. But I just wanted to say the first... That's right, buddy. Pizza. He's eating pizza. But I just wanted to tell everybody thank you so much. It means so much to us when you guys come up to us and you say hi and you say thank you for making videos and don't stop. Like, that kind of encouragement is like honestly what we need to keep on going and keep making videos for you guys, and as well as most importantly making videos for Miles. But we're super excited. I've got so much footage that is going to need to get edited, so I'm gonna work all week long to keep pushing out videos for Takeover for you guys. And like I said, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, Krista's heart, Miles and Leia Puppy Dog. Thank you guys for just watching us, and thank you guys for coming up and just saying hi. And sorry, Miles must have just turned off all the lights. Anyways, thank you guys so much, man. Just from the bottom of all of our hearts, we really appreciate it. And if I was talking to you mid-flight and had to dip off to go catch Miles or something, hope you weren't mad at me, or if I didn't have enough time to talk to you guys, or Krista didn't, we're really sorry. We're all over the place at Takeover, but nonetheless, we hope you guys enjoy this first part. This is kind of the beginning of Takeover. It's the industry ride, so it's going to be a kickoff for our Takeover series. It's just a quick, short, thrown together video. But then after that, I'll have a lot more time to start working on Wednesday's video. So other than that, I hope you enjoy this little quick thrown together video. We're sitting in Washington right now, and ironically, we're just across the river at this cool little RV park. And yeah, so you go like 2 seconds that way and you end up back in Oregon. But we got tons of cool footage, tons of awesome footage. We had a freaking blast. And the good news is nothing crazy happened, at least to me. Sadly, something terrible happened to one of our friends, and his car anyways. He's okay, but more on that in a video or two later. Well, hello people. It's the next day. It's Tuesday. We got Josh. What are you about to do?
Put those whips on.
Nice.
That got smashed.
Nice. Anyways, everybody just went out for a rip, and I guess I was gonna go out for it. Do you know where Josh's stuff is?
What stuff? The
Come
whips?
on. Yeah. We got baby Miles and Krista.
He peed on the tree.
He pee-peed on the tree. We tried to teach him to potty train, or trying to potty train him, guys. Krista said pee on a tree, and then he peed in his pants.
Yeah, we've been running around pantless, and now we've got to put pants on because we're around everybody. So it's a little bit of a struggle, but we're figuring it out.
We found our people. Sorry, man. These dunes are not fun to ride when the sun is dead high. No dunes are, but it's like everything it looks flat. Like there's no like shadow anywhere. Definitely not the best time to be riding. But I wanted to come find our Whiskey Throttle family. Looks like Colt is driving the red race car right now.
Who that was. Look at this beautiful view. Like,
Nice.
oh. See the clouds and the mist rolling in. The little lake in the background. We got baby Miles back there. He got his sticker. Miles, show me your sticker, baby. Let me see that sticker. Is he eating it? Oh my gosh. Let's go ride.
Somebody say
Okay, we made it to the end. Barely. I just sucked in my hair. Ew. Okay, it's time to head back now.